guys, we'll go back to another unboxing video. Today we got something in the mail today. It's our spinning bell Santa. So we're hoping it's my spinning bell Santa. There's unboxing going to be featuring Bonnie the Bun. And yeah, she's famous. She's famous now in our videos. Okay. I'm still here. Okay. Here he is. This is his box. I'm gonna try to see if I can take him out like this. There he is. There he is. Oh, let's get him out of the box. Some sides, other stuff, and the other side. And then here's the main side, where she shows inside of him. So now let's get him out of here. There he is. So to make this just simple, I'm just gonna like take him out of there. There's something stuck inside of him. Okay, here's the Santa.
So, he's zip tied in?
Yeah. Yeah, he's zip tied into like the plastic thing inside of him. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll make a demo of this soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and most of all, hit the bell notifications so you never miss a Halloween-tastic video. Bye.